Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with T-Mobile to secure SIM swap protection step by step clearly. To register with T-Mobile for SIM swap protection, start by visiting the T-Mobile website. In the top right corner, click on the Login button. Enter your T-Mobile ID and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, select Create an account and follow the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section. Look for the Profile option and click on it. Scroll down to find the Security Settings link. Click on Security Settings to open the security options. Locate the SIM swap protection feature. Select the option to enable or register for SIM swap protection. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a text or email confirmation. Follow the verification steps sent to your phone or email. After verification, confirm your choice to enable the protection. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification that SIM swap protection is active. Log out of your account after completing the registration. Keep your account information secure for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.